Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on your iPhone. So guys, if the restricted mode is on your iPhone and you are unable to perform some tasks on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you turn it off. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first thing is that you have to simply open settings and then scroll it below and go to screen time, and now scroll it below, and here you can see the toggle for content and privacy restriction. So guys, simply tap on this, and here you can see this. You can easily turn on or turn off restrictions on your Apple device with this toggle. So guys, if you turn it on, then the restrictions will be enabled on these settings. So guys, you can see different options. You can turn on the restricted mode on these settings. So guys, you can see this. You can use restrictions on media and Apple Music. You can use restrictions on photos. You can use restrictions on iTunes and App Store purchases. You can also use restrictions for App Store, media and web and games. You can also put restrictions on intelligence and Siri. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily allow or disallow restrictions from here. And if you want to turn off all the restrictions on your Apple device, then you have to simply turn off this toggle. So guys, you can see this. Simply turn it off, and after this the restrictions will be disabled on your Apple device. So guys, now you will be able to use any task on your Apple device, or you can easily perform any task on your Apple device. So guys, in this way you can also turn off the restricted mode on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.